Want to master your presentations with total control? Meet your KlipXtreme SlideMaster Pro. This presenter features a side power switch, a front panel with 6 buttons, and 2 side buttons to mark, erase, or adjust the volume. Before you start, connect it to the device you'll be presenting from. You can do this in 2 ways. First, via Bluetooth. Press and hold the page up button while turning the presenter on. When the blue indicator light starts blinking, look for KPP-500 on your device and select it to pair. The second option is using the USB receiver. Remove the nano receiver from the magnetic storage compartment below and plug it into your computer's USB port. Turn on the presenter, and you're ready to go. It connects automatically. Once paired, you can use all of its smart functions. Press the button with the mouse icon to activate Air Mouse mode and move the cursor freely across the screen. Press it again to turn it off. Hold it down to perform a right click. The side button works as a left click. To use the laser pointer, press and hold the center left button. Adjust its size using the page up or down buttons. Double-click the multifunction button to activate the digital pointer. Use the arrow buttons to move between slides. Hold the right arrow to turn the screen black or the left arrow to exit or return to slideshow mode. On the right side, the top button lets you draw or make notes, while the bottom one erases them. Hold the erase button and tilt the presenter to lower or raise the volume. And to unlock its full potential, download the SlideMaster Pro software. You can change the color and size of your digital pointer, enable spotlight mode, or zoom in on the details you want to highlight. Now you're ready to own every presentation with the SlideMaster Pro from KlipXtreme.